Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we will be talking about is the car. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue redefines the luxury SUV segment with a perfect blend of Ferrari's racing DNA and everyday usability. Its design is both aggressive and elegant, featuring sculpted aerodynamics, a wide stance, and signature Ferrari styling cues. The front end showcases sleek LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and large air intakes, emphasizing its performance-oriented nature. The lightweight chassis is engineered for agility, ensuring that the Purosangue delivers the dynamic handling expected from a Ferrari while maintaining SUV practicality. Its four-door configuration enhances accessibility without compromising the brand's signature style. Inside, the cabin combines luxury and cutting-edge technology, offering a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials like carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine leather. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the infotainment system seamlessly integrates connectivity features. A high-end surround sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, and ambient lighting adds to the refined atmosphere. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, making it one of the most comfortable Ferraris ever produced. A panoramic glass roof option enhances the feeling of openness, creating an airy and luxurious environment. Under the hood, the 2025 Purosangue is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing exhilarating horsepower and an unmistakable Ferrari exhaust note. The powertrain is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, delivering exceptional traction and stability in all conditions. A lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while adaptive suspension technology enhances ride comfort and handling precision. Ferrari's Drive Mode Selector allows drivers to customize performance settings for different driving scenarios, from relaxed cruising to aggressive track-inspired driving. Ferrari has created the Purosangue as the ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and versatility. It stays true to Ferrari's heritage while offering the practicality of an SUV, making it a unique and thrilling choice for enthusiasts. Whether on winding roads or long journeys, the Purosangue delivers an unparalleled driving experience, proving that performance and comfort can coexist in a Ferrari masterpiece. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.